going to videotape it. Are we ready, Jeff?
Okay, we go live in 3, 2.
It is Friday, September 22nd, 2006.
I'm going to cut this part out.
Jeff Wallen and I are going to be going through the truck to demonstrate what is in each compartment. Compartment number 1, driver's side. We start out with the RIT bag on top. On this particular, this is engine 2. On this particular truck, we have a spare O2 bottle next to that. Our 2 water extinguishers, one being foam, one being water. On the bottom side of the compartment, we have our medical bag. Underneath the medical bag, or very close to it, will be the pediatrics bag and the AED. Underneath that is the toolbox. We have our two larger extinguishers in the back of the truck.
Dry chemical.
One dry
carbon dioxide.
And carbon dioxide, that's correct. Stiff neck collars. Bag of stiff necks. Got our axe and Halligan right there. And also the controls for the mast, for the light mast. Compartment number 2, driver's side.
Oh, you know what? This isn't compartment number 2. This is compartment number 3.
This is compartment number 3.
Guess which one we missed?
We missed the small one. Right here. Which would now be compartment number 1. And we have our wheel trucks in compartment number 1.
Hey, Steve. Check this out. Roll up doors. You know why we get roll up doors on our trucks now, right?
So they can keep the doors on the trucks.
Nice. See ya.
See ya. Okay, so this becomes cabinet number 2. This becomes cabinet number 3. We have our tarps on the top of cabinet number 3. Bag of miscellaneous rope. Inside our bins. We have in this one our chimney fire equipment, our chimney bombs, chain, a couple of flares. Bin number 2, we have water for rehydration. Bin number 3, plug and dyke, crime scene tape, and our reflectors. Some plugs and some duct tape. The bottom of the compartment, we have our fan and our small step ladder. Now we also, right above the wheel well, have 4 spare SCBA bottles. The compartment above the wheel well, compartment number 4. We have our high-rise pack. We have our high-rise connections inside that bag. For our monitor, we have a short pike pole. Behind the cabinet, the mystery equipment. We have a pickhead axe. We have our foam. We have multiple nozzles, a short grass fire line up here, and our, I believe this is our cellar nozzle that we have right there. We also have our eductor back behind the nozzles. And then our rope tool for going over the edge of a building, I believe. This one right here. Obviously the pump panel, multiple spanners, both the large diameter and the small diameter spanners. We have our hand controls for the monitor on top. Lower part of the compartment, We have, I believe this is 25 feet. It's either 20 or 25 feet of large diameter hose. We have our hydrant connections inside our bag, and multiple nozzles and connections, along with a rubber mallet hammer. Here we are again with my cameraman, Jeff Wallen. I must give a lot of thanks to him for his expertise and camera knowledge. Engine 2, passenger side. Now it wants to stay closed. There we go. Okay. Thanks. Got the compartment open. Upper compartment, we have that A-frame ladder. In this side right there, we have one backboard, and we have 2 short pike poles. Okay. Both the same length. I think they're both 6-footers. Lower compartment. We have the Honda generator for running the extrication tools away from the truck. Next compartment back, we have the extrication tools, both the spreader and the cutters. We also have our chainsaw, multiple gas cans for different products. Obviously the hydraulic lines for the hydraulic tools. And our bins down here. Chains. Want to pull this out a little bit?
Yeah, let's pull that shelf out
Okay.
just a little bit.
Cutter, spreader, and our ram.
Oh, that ram was hiding in the back.
Yeah.
I couldn't see it. All right.
Cutter, spreader, ram. They're hooked up, ready to go. First white box, we have our chain and a strap. We have our hydraulic ram K tool right there. Sawzall with Sawzall blades and glass master. And this right here we have our air chisel, regulator, hoses, everything you need for the air chisel. Also in this compartment we have one other thing. That's the control units, on-off power switch for the hydraulic rams. You got to have the generator running, and the reel hoses, and the pressure switches for the hydraulic rams.